Where the hell is that cold coming from? Ooh. Oh.
Hey. Hey. Hello?
I need to get just a few more
Well, no,
gifts.
pay by check if you can.
I will. Not a card?
No, the credit card, if they return it, then it's a hassle.
Russ! Help!
Daddy, Clark coming.
How the hell would I know?
Is he in the house?
If he isn't up on the ladder fighting around his life, he must be in the house.
I'm sure he wants to come shopping and have lunch with us.
He's got another car. He can drive. I have to eat so I can take my back pill.
Ellen! Hey! Ellen!
Here's the mic cable. Where did we put the mic case? Daddy?
Christmas is the time of year for being with the ones we love, sharing so much joy and cheer. What a wonderful feeling.
I'm secretly super proud of DJ Aubrey. It's a secret thing. I can't let him know though.
All through the year.
Here's the mic cable. Where did we put the mic case? Daddy?
Hey Aubrey, being your bride of our mouse Nevada. Really? So how does that work? It's obviously I'm Dark Vader and you're Princess Leia. Aubrey, you're definitely not Dark Vader. We'll see about that.
I am your father.
Aubrey, I was there when you were born.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Aubrey, you're gonna make me unleash the beast.
Impressive.
Yeah.